Up until 1 month ago, it was impossible to find this in Vietnam. But finally, you can. In June 2023, Michelin released its first ever guide for Vietnam. The inaugural guide awarded 1 star to 3 restaurants in Hanoi and 1 in Ho Chi Minh City. It also awarded 16 places in Ho Chi Minh City with its Bib Gourmand designation. And since I'm currently in Ho Chi Minh, I'm going to focus on trying as many of the 16 places on this list. And to keep things moving, I'll give each place I try a 1-word review. And with that, welcome to Vietnam's Michelin Guide.